and welcome back to the YouTube channel of Alicante Real Estate. My name is Nadia, and in today's video we're going to present you a wonderful fully renovated apartment that is 600 meters away from Torrevieja beach, and it's right in the center, and it's offered to you for 239,000 euros. It's a big, nice apartment, and right now I'm going to show it to you. So right now I am standing on the first terrace balcony that we have on this property, and as you can see, even this area was beautifully renovated with the new tiles here, there, new windows, and as you can see, on the evenings we can enjoy the sun here. But now I want to show you the inside, because this property is so wonderfully made. Like, just take a look at the huge space, the nice design, and all of this good quality new furniture that is going to be included. So you are getting an apartment that feels like a new build, but in our already established area of Torrevieja, and everything that you see is included, including all of these appliances that you can see in the kitchen. It's a fitted kitchen, everything made by design with these special and thin countertops. Everything looks so neat and nicely thought. Now let's get back into this space and enjoy. We have here air conditioner, big space, and here on my right hand we have a big wardrobe that we have on the entrance. Okay, this would be our entrance, and just check this space. It's wonderful. And now let's continue with the tour. Here we have the first bathroom. It's a full bathroom with beautiful design and a nice shower plate. Now here we have the first bedroom. This is the bedroom that is also used as a office space, but something special here is that we can go to our back patio. So I want to make mention that we have very nice and high quality doors and windows in this house, because everything again was brand new renovated. And even this is your back patio when you have the boiler, and even here they took the care not just to paint but to put beautiful tiling here as well as on the floors. Now let's get back to this beautiful apartment to continue with the tour. And I want to show you here that we have such a beautiful bedroom. It has a window, it goes to the inside, but still it allows you to have fresh air and light. And then we also have a beautiful wardrobe in there. So here we have the other bathroom, and here we have a full bathtub that you can enjoy. And also in this area we have the washing machine, and I just want you to pay attention to the beautiful design, because this bathroom was made with a lot of effort, and the combination of the colors, it's really nice. And this is not the typical cosmetic renovation that people sometimes do. This is a well thought, and it's thought to enjoy living here. So now let me show you the other bedroom. This is the main bedroom in this property, and it's just so nicely made. You have the full wall, which is a big wardrobe, and all of these designer details that make it feel already like a home. Now I wanted to get back to this beautiful area to wrap up about this beautifully made apartment, because everything in here, it's included and it's so well thought. Everything has a designer touch, and this is not forgetting all of the high quality materials, because we have very good windows. We also have paid details for every space. Everything was made so you don't have to worry about anything except for coming here with your personal stuff and enjoying the life in Torrevieja. We are right now in the central part of the city, so you can enjoy all of the shops, the restaurants, and the amenities needed, like the bus stations, the pharmacies, and more. Everything right in your walking distance from this property. So if you are interested in this apartment, guys, you can always contact me because you'll have all of the details right here. And just to remind you, this fully equipped apartment that is looks like a new build, you can get it for 239,000 with us, with Alicante Real Estate. I'll gladly answer to any questions of yours and gladly see you on the next video. Bye.